Kasngi sedang jong kalempung ilakai Meghalaya Games arajar arpau hakasining kong kalong ke basongkun dak ba kecingwan sementar renti hadu syaja sanspa knai pundai ngot kinong ilakai na kaleng kimenta jong kajala ya kate kalempung ilakai lawan man play perda do menteri rong ba kajala Konrad K Sangmar kat kejenan lang menteri ketan ilakai ba bantai do lingdo kinong ilam ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ha kecing ilang play perda ke balong hajawal Nehru Stadium ha bakran ha kate kasngi menteri rang ba ula ai kejiro ya kinong pinya jong Meghalaya Games kibalala ban pelong biang ya kate kalempung ilakai kebakham la syu ban pelong hakini khandus nem peladam borok kidon hadu kasau teli kijat jinglekai hakate gelumpung kepala sedang landu mentakasi kan kutpat hadu arpoitrik mentau benai.
Therefore, it's very important as a system, as a government and as associations to be able to identify those talents and then promote those talents. So therefore, as a government, it is not just these games that we are focusing on. These games are important, of course. It is not just the sports policy that we're coming out with. Sports policy is important. It is not just simply the sports infrastructure we're coming out with. That is also important. It is not only the support that we're giving to the different organizations, not only the rewards that we're giving to the different players, but we're also planning on how to scientifically ensure that in the future we have a more scientific approach to identifying these talents and ensuring that we have better and much more talented sports people in the areas which they are good at. I'm also happy to announce that starting April 2020-21, I will be having a special award that will be given out to musicians and to sports people. Every month we'll be selecting one person. I had started this program last year when I started recognizing entrepreneurs. I felt that when we give awards and recognize entrepreneurs, give a pat on their back and tell them, you are doing great. I think it does a huge amount of motivation, gives them a huge amount of motivation to do more in life. So with that, we started giving the Chief Minister's Entrepreneurship Award. I felt that we needed to give the same encouragement in sports and in music also. And therefore, starting this next financial year from April, we will be giving an award for sports and music. Every month we will be giving 1 lakh cash award to people, to sports and musicians who have really done great in their career, who are upcoming and have got talent. And it is one way for the government to once again showcase the talent, recognize the talent, and more importantly, motivate the youngsters who are doing great.